just got that fresh chefy uniform. Chef-O-Vision, you're welcome. Get those walls covered. Now, if you have a mixer, you can use a mixer, but I like using raw manpower to blend my things together. The thicker, the better. Oh yeah, spread it just like that. We're getting our jam session on. Oh, nice. Damn, this looks good. I know, I can't wait to eat it either.
You are awesome, the best cheesecake ever.
First you taste the peanut butter and then the jelly comes next.
That tastes like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Really good.
It's very full and filling, rich.
This is the greatest stuff ever.
Mom, this is something I want in my lunch, please.
That's really good.
It is really good.
It's good.
I think you're very good.
Very good.
You're so rich and creamy.
Okay.
Peanut butter and jelly cheesecake is delicious.
Oi, you there, love! Sitting on your Jack Jones waiting for a butcher's at the latest. Why would you eat that? Well, you can get a Captain Cook at it now. Revenge is a dish best served grilled. Watch spicy Thai food have its way with the Milkmaster. Everyone's doing it, but we do it better on the Why Would You Eat That challenge. We take this viral meme down one can at a time. Where can you find booze as strong as artisan New York City distillers? In the Navy. They asked me to sing that last part like the Village People, but I'm not gonna. Subscribe for more free tasted treats.